Mishimelon.
Let's get some sight words together. Put each letter in the right place. B, I, G. Big. This truck is big. Let's make another word. Put each letter in the right place. O, G. Go! We go on the bus. Are you ready for a new one? Put each letter in the right place. L, O, O, K.
Wow!
Look! The friends look happy. And the one last one. Put each letter in the right place. U, P. Up. I get up at 7 o'clock. Fantastic! You aced it, my friend. Look! There is one more picture to color. Let's color the picture according to the letters. Wow! The fruit is very beautiful. Tap all the letters in order, starting from the first. C, A, T, K. At. Cat. Tap all the letters in order, starting from the first. D, O, G, D. Og. Dog. Tap all the letters in order, starting from the first. P, E, N, P. N. Pen. Tap all the letters in order, starting from the first. S, U, N, S. Un. Sun. Well done, my friend. Looks like this word is missing a letter. Move the right letter to the right spot. G, F, R, O, G. Frog. Woohoo! This looks yummy. Move the right letter to the right spot. G, F, I, G. It's fig! Amazing! And the last word is move the right letter to the right spot. G, U, G. Bug! You did an excellent job. This is a pig, but the word is missing some letters. Move the right letter to the right spot. I, G. Pig! The word is put together. Great! Move the right letter to the right spot. I, C, E. Ice! Great job! Oh no! The lion does not have letters. Move the right letter to the right spot. I, O, N. Lion. You are learning your letters. Great job!
Said good.
This word has a missing letter. Move the right letter to the right spot. H, H, A, T. Hat! Hooray! This word also has a missing letter. Move the right letter to the right spot. H, O, G. Hog! Great job! The last word. Move the right letter to the right spot. H, E, N. It's hen! You did great! Let's find the correct sounds that the words start with. Choose the right letter for the beginning sound. B, B, G. Bug. Great job! The bug is sleeping on the leaf. Choose the right letter for the beginning sound. Awesome! I can count to 10. Choose the right letter for the beginning sound. D, D, A, D. Dad! Well done! My dad has a red car. Great job! We found all the beginning sounds. The writer does not remember which sound the words begin with. Let's help him. Choose the right letter for the beginning sound. B, B, A, G. Bag. Well done! I see the green bag. Choose the right letter for the beginning sound. B, B, E, D. Bed. Great job! I like reading in bed. Choose the right letter for the beginning sound. D, D, E, N. Den. Awesome! The fox is in her den. Great job! We found all the beginning sounds. Let's collect the words again. Move the right letter to the right spot. O, O, L, L. Doll. You can play with it. Move the right letter to the right spot. R, O, O, G. Cog. It is a part of a large machine. Move the right letter to the right spot. O, 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 G. Dog. Such a cute dog. Great job! Are you ready to find words that start with a sound from a gift? Tap on the gift. This is the sound Choose a card that starts with the sound Correct! This is a nest. Let's try one more time. Tap on the gift. This is the sound Qu. Choose a card that starts with the sound Qu. Awesome! This is a queen. Look, another gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound R. Choose a card that starts with the sound R. Good guess. This is a ring. Wow! Let's do one more gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound P. Choose a card that starts with the sound P. Great! This is a pig. One last one. Tap on the gift. This is the sound S. Choose a card that starts with the sound S. You are right. This is the sun. Great! You have found them all. I think there should be some cards here. Let's find them. Tap on the gift. This is the sound Eh. Choose a card that starts with the sound Eh. Great! This is an egg. Let's try one more time. Tap on the gift. This is the sound I. Choose a card that starts with the sound I. Awesome! This is an igloo. Look, another gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound Choose a card that starts with the sound You are right. This is an umbrella. Wow! Let's do one more gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound Choose a card that starts with the sound Good guess. This is an octopus. One last one. Tap on the gift. This is the sound A. Choose a card that starts with the sound A. Correct! This is an apple. You have found all the cards. Great job! Let's help to complete the word. Guide the letter through the maze to the word. Great job! This letter A completes the word ant. Let's play some sound games. Drag the picture with the beginning sound of umbrella, rain, boot, rain, 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 rain. Umbrella, cool! Are you ready for a new one? Desk, pencil, up. Desk, pencil, up. Great! You did it! Let's make it even more interesting. Drag the picture with the middle sound of Plate, fork, cup. Plate, cup, cup. Wow, you did great. Great, you did it. Moon, cloud, sun. Sun. Very good job. Hooray! And the last one? Bug, rock, tree. Bug. Woohoo! You did great.